As long as I've been here, when I first started, we had very little in the way of safety. We had some certain policies that we had to follow, in the old days we really learned how to do things the wrong way. So it was quite a transition for some of us old guys to do things safely. Years ago we didn't have a trench box, we didn't have a lot of pieces that we had today. So it's been a real transition, with our employees and any of the newer guys that we've hired on day one. We're teaching them how to do things the right way. The biggest thing is holding people accountable. For many years we've done a annual review on our employees, and it's based on merit and performance. And obviously, if there are a lot of accidents, there's a lot of discussion about that. Through our safety committee, we've started doing accident reviews. So if there are any negative things that happen, there's a full discussion on that, and it'll be written up and have some questions and answers on what happened, what should we have done to prevent that.
To keep an energy in the committee so it doesn't get stale. I mean, we do rotate people out. Annually we change out an employee from each department, and obviously some of us stay on for a little longer just to make sure we keep with the same processes.
It's like you see some of these guys that have worked in construction for 50 years and you see the health problems they have, the things that they never knew of or still to this day aren't aware of, cutting asphalt and breathing it, anything like that. And we are so ahead of the game on a lot of that stuff that it's a good feeling to know that when I hit 50 years old that I probably should still have a good set of lungs and hopefully be walking, because there's so many of them that they just beat themselves and they just don't know. They don't know about a lot of the stuff that we are trained on, monthly, yearly.
I remember getting up in the mornings, the TV would be blaring away because I'd come home from work. I used to work downtown running the jackhammer for a couple hours a day, and you can't really hear anything when you get home at night. And you get up in the morning, the TV's blaring away, and boy, I wish I knew now back then.
When I first started here, I didn't know much of anything. I'm probably one of the newer employees. I've been here for 4 years. And where I've worked before, never have I worked anywhere where everything has been so thorough on, they have a safety committee and anything from confined space